Think you need an uncle in the business to land a high-paying job on a ship in 2025? That's what everyone says. They paint it as a closed club, one you can't break into, but that's dead wrong. Right now, shipping and logistics companies are desperately hunting for people with specific real-world skills, and it has nothing to do with who you know. The secret isn't in some backdoor connection, it's in having the right roadmap. And in this video, we are giving it to you step by step from couch to cargo ship. Let's get this straight first. You're either looking for a technical sea-based job or a land-based port and logistics role. At sea, you've got merchant vessels, container ships, and cargo carriers, huge moving machines that require precision and discipline. Jobs include deck operations, engine handling, cargo documentation, and crew coordination. On the other hand, there's the booming port logistics sector, covering customs, supply chain management, cargo handling, freight coordination, and maritime trade compliance. These roles are critical to global trade but keep you on land. Before anything else, ask yourself, do I want the adventure of the sea or the strategic world of ports and terminals? Now here's where most people get stuck. They search for secret documents. But let me tell you, what really gets you hyped today is not paper, it's performance. The industry needs people trained in container logistics, port operation software, cargo documentation and customs filing, rail, road and sea multimodal transport planning, and people who know how the entire supply chain from ship to shelf works. These are exactly the hands-on tools we teach at Pertecnica Maritime Logistics Academy. We don't hand you outdated textbooks. We immerse you in real-world scenarios, simulations, and port visits. Stop sending a generic resume. Your regular resume won't survive 5 seconds in this industry. Maritime recruiters want to see logistics-specific strengths. Can you handle 12-hour shifts? Have you worked under pressure? Do you know container movement protocols? Have you ever planned a shipment or filled a bill of lading? We help you build a shipping-ready resume with your skills and Pertecnica project work front and center. When your CV speaks the industry language, it gets shortlisted. Where the real jobs are hiding, most people waste time on random job sites. That's a dead end. Instead, we guide students through logistics company portals, port authorities, maritime service providers, freight forwarding firms, and container terminals. Through Pertecnica, you're not just learning, you're getting introduced to the industry. We have built a placement support pipeline that connects you with hiring teams who already know our training standard. Acing the interview. Here's the truth. They are not just testing your skills, they're testing your mindset. Can you work in isolation? Can you handle pressure? Are you familiar with emergency procedures? Have you dealt with last-minute cargo changes or customs delays? At Pertecnica, we prepare you for this mentally with real scenarios, mock interviews, and role-play exercises that mirror actual maritime job conditions. The reality check nobody talks about. Let's not sugarcoat it. This isn't a vacation. You will face long hours, changing weather, tough working conditions, and sometimes isolation. But in return, you gain something incredible. Real-world experience, dollar salaries, international exposure, and career growth at lightning speed. Only a few industries offer that. Shipping and logistics is one of them. But only for those who are truly prepared and committed. If this roadmap is making things clearer for you, hit that subscribe button and follow us for weekly insights on jobs, careers, and real maritime success stories. Want to move from confused student to confident pro? Head to pertecnica.in and take the first step with a course built for the shipping industry of 2025. So here's the truth. Getting a job on a ship or in global logistics doesn't need a contact. It needs a strategy. Choose your path. Build the skills companies want. Learn how ports, ships and trade really work. Join a place that gives you training plus placement support. Pertecnica is not just a maritime academy. It's a career launchpad. And your career at sea or beyond starts now.